Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Curtis again, and we're back with another Buy 9 to 5 course review, and the course created by Jordan Mackey. And we're just going to do a deep dive review yet again in the year of 2023 to see if this course is still relevant and if it's still worth the money that you pay for it in 2023. Alright, here we are in the actual back office of the Buy 9 to 5 training courses. As you can see, there's a couple different programs that are offered in this course as well, but we're going to be solely talking about the Tube Monetization and Automation Program course, so we're going to go ahead and click on that. So if you don't know who Jordan Mackey is, he's an entrepreneur and a self-proclaimed YouTube guru who specializes in YouTube automation. Now, he's been around for quite some time. This course is not new by any means. It's a fairly old course, but the question is it still efficient, and would I still recommend that you buy it in the year of 2023? So what we're going to do today is we're going to do a quick walkthrough, a quick review of everything in this course that I found to be effective and efficient, and overall at the end of the video I'm going to give you a rating on a scale of 1 to 10 on where I place this in terms of whether it's worth buying or not. So stick around to the end and let's get right into this review. Okay, so here we are in Jordan Mackey's Buy 9 to 5 course, and here we are in the first module. As you can see, it's just a welcome with the private Facebook group. That is a great start to this course. It does help a whole bunch. We're going to open that up here just so you can see what's kind of involved and what's included. So there is quite a bit that goes into this Buy 9 to 5 Facebook group. There's about 6,000 members in it as of current date, or the upload of this video, or the date of the upload of this video. So it is a pretty old program with lots of people who actually add lots of value continuously throughout this. As you can see, it's still pretty active. 16 hours ago, 1 day ago, 22 hours ago. So it's a pretty active group, and that's a huge bonus in this program overall, and a very helpful tool. Here we are back on the main page. I'm not going to bore you with this stuff here. You can kind of go through this yourself. It's almost something you can basically skip, although I do suggest you get into the private Facebook group. You do not want to miss out on that. But let's move on to the next section, which is choosing your perfect niche. Now, as you can see, I've gone through this whole course, or this whole module, and you can even see he has a list of around 200 profitable niches. I believe he's actually added to it since, so there's probably more, but this is also a great module here, a great video. Highest paying CPM niches. You don't want to get into something that's overly saturated, that doesn't pay a lot of money to begin with, so you want to find that common ground on something that isn't too heavily saturated with a lot of competition, and that also pays a decent CPM. CPM meaning cost per mil. So every 1,000 views, let's say you have a $7 CPM, every 1,000 views, your video generates $7 per 1,000 watchers. Here we are in the next module. This is also pretty basic as well, but if you're new to YouTube automation or you just want to set up your account properly, I definitely suggest watching this whole module. It's literally just called the YouTube Basics. It kind of tells you a brief description of what every video is about, how to set up your YouTube channel, how to set up your Google AdSense account, how to create unlimited channels, download videos from other social media platforms, which does come in handy. So again, this is another great module you don't want to miss out on. So especially if you're new to YouTube, I definitely recommend you watch this. Now, this next module is a little bit more interesting. This is kind of what you're here for, the passing monetization review. That's how you get paid from Google AdSense, is through monetizing your YouTube page, which just allows Google or YouTube to put ads over your video, and then you get paid for every person who watches those ads. So you definitely want to watch this and make sure you set everything up correctly. You do not want to miss this whole module. Watch every single video. I never did the assessment because I kind of had previous knowledge going into this, but definitely do the assessment just to verify that you have this correctly. You do not want to mess this section up. Here we are on the next module. This module is another one you just do not want to miss. This has so much value in it. Literally, keywords is pretty much will make or break your YouTube account. If you have the best video on the planet, but you don't know how to do your keyword research or video topic research ideas, your video will absolutely flop. It literally could be a video view idea, but if you don't do the right research or have the right video topics, it will absolutely flop. You do not want to put the time and money into it just to have a flop after flop. You want to make sure you do your research so that you know the videos to create and the keywords to research to properly correlate with the amount of views you want to get. Here we are on the next section. This is called creating and editing your videos. I never took a single one of these this module. I didn't watch a single one of these videos. I outsourced right from the very start. If you can afford it, that's what I recommend you do. If you cannot afford it, obviously you want to watch this and watch how to create and edit videos properly. I cannot contest to how good this video or this module is. I can clearly see I didn't watch a single one because I had a plan right from the start. I was going to outsource all the work right from the get-go. And moving on, here we are, SEO secrets and strategies for truly going viral. Again, this is another great module you do not want to miss. Do not skip a single one of these videos and make sure you do the assessment. This will get you to go viral, obviously not right off the bat. If you know anything, it does take a little bit of time to get a little bit of traction on your YouTube channel, but you definitely do want to watch this section, go through everything. Something as simple as creating engaging thumbnails. If you have, again, a banger video, but your thumbnail doesn't entice people to click, you'll never get the results that you want. So you want to make sure you know how to rank in the search results, how to create engaging thumbnails, use captions to boost SEO. So make sure you watch every single one of these videos so that you can get your channel going in the direction that you want it to go sooner rather than later. Here we are on the next section. This is additional monetization techniques to boost your income. I'm not going to spoil anything in here, but again, I do recommend you watching these two. If you're getting into YouTube automation, it's obviously to make money. So if you're looking to boost your income, this is clearly going to help. So if that's what you're getting into YouTube automation for, you don't want to miss out on anything. So definitely watch this section so you can boost your income and get as much out of YouTube as you possibly can. The next module, it just includes 3 case studies. Again, I did not watch this. I have already kind of had belief in this course and I've used it effectively up until this point. So it's up to you whether you want to watch this or not. It is included and there is an assessment as well, but totally up to you whether you want to watch these case studies. And we're just going to move on to the next module. The next section on this course is outsourcing and automation. Again, I didn't really take too much of this course or this module, sorry. I already took a course outside of this that got me the results I pretty much saw success with. And you know the old saying, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So I just took the knowledge I took from my other course, I implemented it to the outsourcing and the automation of my team and my YouTube channel, and that's what I stuck with. So I cannot really tell you how good this section of the course is, how good this module is, but it wouldn't be here for no reason. So if you are looking to outsource and you have no idea where to start, this would be a good place to start by watching this whole module here. Here we are on the next module. This more so just talks about affiliate marketing with YouTube. Again, I never really watched this section. I've definitely heard a lot of results. That is definitely a great way to monetize your YouTube channel if you can not only benefit from the AdSense generated, but also from affiliate marketing sales. So again, I would definitely recommend you watch this section. You can clearly see that I haven't. I don't know why it says I took the assessment, but you can clearly see I never watched any one of these videos. But again, beginner or expert, I definitely recommend you watch this. Again, you want to benefit from YouTube as much as possible. So if you can double dip and make money 2 separate ways, why wouldn't you take advantage of it? This next module just goes hand in hand with the first one, affiliate marketing networks that you can join. Definitely want to expose yourself as much as possible to whether it's Amazon, ClickBank, JVZoo. There's a couple other ones out there that you can look at as well, but see what product is out there for you that best fits your niche and your YouTube channel. Apply to the affiliate program and then start promoting the affiliate program from there. Moving on to the next module, this is strategies for YouTube affiliate marketing. Again, I have never really done anything affiliate marketing wise with YouTube, but I do see a lot of people in his Facebook group that do make good sales doing affiliate marketing from YouTube videos. So depending on your niche, it can be overly saturated. I do recommend you stay away from like the health and fitness niche if you're going to do affiliate marketing because it is very saturated. Aside from that, I can't tell you much else about it. So do your own research and take the time when finding an affiliate product to promote on YouTube. Next section, how to increase click-through on your links on YouTube. This kind of goes hand in hand with affiliate marketing. You have to put a link in your description for people to click. You have to make it enticing for people to click on that link. Again, I never really took any section of this module, any videos of this module. Again, I had an outside source that showed me how to do my description and make it as enticing as possible. So I did not take this. I cannot tell you how effective or how good it was. But if you are looking to do affiliate marketing and have 0 experience, you don't want to miss this part of the course. I recommend you take it and learn as much as you can in terms of making your links as clickable as possible. last section is affiliate marketing strategies not using YouTube. That is not my style, so I definitely never took any of these videos or these modules, so I can't tell you whether or not it's effective, but you're obviously here for YouTube automation. I'd focus on this last, get your YouTube channel up and running using his strategies as quickly as possible, and that's a really brief rundown of his course. Overall, you know, I said I'd give you a rating on a scale of 1 to 10. I'd still give this between a 7 and an 8. There are other courses out there that are a lot more expensive. So overall, for what you pay for this course, I would still recommend you buy it in the year of 2023. It's still a solid investment, especially if you're new to YouTube automation and the competition out there. This will give you the edge over your competition. So again, we're going to give it a 7 to 8 rating out of 10. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. My name is Curtis. Tune in next time for the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.